This right here is a really cool way to live in Miami. Loft-style layout, floor-to-ceiling glass, and 42 floors above downtown Miami. I am actually very curious to hear what are your thoughts on this bathroom layout, so let me know in the comments. I see someone here who's constantly in between cities. Someone who wants a Miami place but wants everything around them. Place you can lock and leave but still enjoy the city every time you're here. And this is 10 Museum Park, still one of the most iconic buildings in downtown Miami. Remember, in a property like this, you're not paying for the size. You're paying for the building, the location, the convenience, and the lifestyle that comes with it. You have Museum Park right in front of you, Kaseya Center, the museums, restaurants, and honestly, everything around you. You're right in the middle of the city. This unit is currently offered at $549,000, and honestly, for this building, this location, and this lifestyle, I think it's a really interesting option. And if this feels like your kind of Miami lifestyle, and you'd like to see in person, my contact information is in the description below. See you in the next one.